Okay, now I want to create animation like this with JavaScript, and in tutorial before I have this animation. The ball fall down in the floor and at collision, and he eats the ball to the top. Okay, like this. And I add a function, maybe some script to make the ball to add speed, smaller speed. And in this case I will create like this. If I reload my page, I have the ball, and this ball more realistic about because this ball in this case, okay, I have a reaction with my mouse. If my mouse in click, my mouse in on click activity, my ball follow the position of mouse. Okay, like this. And in this video, in part 1 and part 3, I will create this animation with JavaScript, coding JavaScript. Okay, maybe let's begin. Okay, in previous video I have a script like this, and I have animation like this. In this time I will add a DMP variable. Maybe I add one variable again, and I add DMP equal by maybe 0.1. Okay, maybe 0.9. Okay, if I have DMP variable, now I add in here, I type v I add vx and multiply equal by DMP, and vy multiply equal by DMP2. If I add this function, if I add this script, if I save, okay, I save my project and I reload, I have this animation. I think this bad animation of the ball, but I have collision here. If you see in ball, if ball at the floor, I have animation, a ball animation. If I change the value of DMP, I add 0.99, I have more realistic. Okay, like this. Okay, I have damping the ball. If I add 0.97, I have more damping here. Now I change maybe 0.99. If I try, I save and I try again by reloading the page, I have this animation and more realistic. Okay, and I change the position of y in 0. Now if I reload my page, I have a slow ball fall down, and I change variable key v 0.1. Now I have faster fall down. Okay, like this. You can add more or value in each variable here. You can change, and maybe I change in TMP. Now I have animation, but my damping, my collision too high. Okay, like this. If you change maybe gravity key here, key, you add 0 point maybe higher, you have a fastest animation of the ball. Okay, I save and I change to 0.9966. Now I have this animation, and maybe I change key by 0.2, and now I have quick speed, fastest falling down of the ball. Okay, maybe like this. And next step, maybe I add a function. If I click the mouse, the ball follow the ball reaction. The ball have a reaction with position of my mouse. If I click, I have reaction from the ball to follow the mouse position in X and Y position of the mouse. Maybe in next video I will function about mouse click. Okay, see you and goodbye.